Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to cover the Golf 7.5 engine. So it is running on the EA 888 engine, which has been around since the Mark 6 Golf R. So this is effectively the third gen EA 888 engine. So it has gone through a lot of improvements and obviously a bit of tuning from Volkswagen, and they've obviously fixed all the bugs that had plagued like earlier versions. And yeah, so I would say it's a pretty robust engine. It's basically a tuner's heaven in terms of tuning capabilities. Stage 2 can put out almost 400 horsepower on the wheel, and yeah, it's honestly an amazing engine. And also the gearbox, it is running from the 7.5 onwards. Volkswagen has changed the gearbox, and it now uses the DQ381 gearbox, which is effectively a 7-speed DSG, as opposed to the Mark 7 and Mark 6 Golf R, which is using the DQ250, which is 6-speed. And with the DQ381, which is in this Golf R, obviously, it is way less. It is less jerky, very smooth. Gear shifts is almost seamless. And also the other thing to note is the fact that the gearbox servicing interval for the DQ381 is actually 120,000 kilometers. So this Golf R, for example, it's currently at 35,000. So the next, the upcoming service for its gearbox is actually due at 120,000 kilometers, and this is actually recommended. This is the service schedule set by Volkswagen. So yeah, I honestly feel that the Golf R is just it's an excellent buy. It's a jack of all trades. You can do everything, and it's it's not too hard in your pocket as well. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.